Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to read all of these words. But first of all, let me tell you a story. Let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a letter called P, and it says P, P, P. And another letter called H, and it says Ha, Ha, Ha. But we have a problem. They live in two different houses, and they wanted to talk to each other. So how can we do this? They got an idea. They decided to talk on the phone. So the P and H, whenever they are on the phone, they say like the F sound. Now let's start with the first word. Ta, tur, o, tro, f, and the yeah at the end says e. Trophy, trophy, trophy. This is a trophy. This is a trophy. I won the trophy. I won the trophy. Now let's try to read another word. The P and H, they are together, so we will say auto, photo, photo. I take a photo. I take a photo. Now let's try to read another word. The P and H, they are together, so we'll say phone, phone. I talk on the phone, phone. Now let's try to read another word. Le, P and H, elephant, elephant. This is an elephant. The elephant has a trunk. The elephant has a trunk. And the elephant is big. The elephant has two big ears. The elephant has two big ears. Elephant. Where can I see the elephant? Yes, in the jungle. I can see the elephant in the jungle. Elephant. Now let's try to read another word. Do. Doll, P and H, so we will say it dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. This is a dolphin. The dolphin can swim, and the dolphin jump in the water. Dolphin, dolphin. Now let's try to read all of these words together. Again, the first word, trophy, trophy, trophy. Photo, photo. Phone, phone. Elephant, elephant. Dolphin, dolphin. And that's it. Bye bye.